she gon' shake it for them blue hunters. Take her home, she gon' do something. She gon' shake it for them blue hunters.
What's up, KAREGANG, family? I am back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a hair review with Nadula hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the bare minimum but look so fly, girl. You don't worry about it. Like, come on, like, I got you. Before I get into the video, don't forget to follow all my social medias. There'll be an Instagram box down below. Don't forget to comment #KAREGANG. Get you out in my next video. Today's video, Shaq is deep right here. So if you guys want video shout out in my next video, don't forget to comment #KAREGANG. So let's get into the video that way. So I'm just gonna go in with what's in the box. So like this is what we do like every year. Like you guys should know this, right? So this is a box. It just says Nadula hair, and here you can even get it on Amazon. This is how it's like. This is the layout. So basically they give you a little headband, braided headband. You also get a wig cap. This is a regular black wig cap. And then here is your unit. And this is what we're going to be using today. Okay, so this is our unit. I have everything in the description box about the density, the length. It's there if you guys want to go check it out. This hair has no smell to it. It's really nice and soft. Like, it's a little like crumpled up because it's been in the box, like folded up and stuff, but that's fine. Hairline. So this is the layout of the hairline. If you guys want to see, it's not that bad. It's pretty good. I don't really want to do any plucking to this. I want to do the bare minimum to this unit. Okay, so the first step that I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to use my foundations. So these are the concealers that I'm going to be using. This is the foundation, this is the concealer. So I'm just going to use down the frontal part of the hair. Okay, so we applied the concealer onto the lace, and this is how it's looking like. You can add a little bit more, but once we have our part, we could make it more defined later. Okay, so now I put on my cap. On the cover, it had said it came with 2 pieces, but there was only 1, which I'm kind of confused about, but it's all good in the hood. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm just going to be cutting the lace in a zigzag motion onto my head. My cap, it's obviously black, which won't really match underneath. It won't really look that good. And later we'll add foundation onto this, but it's fine right now. So in this container, it's got to be glue gel. The black version, I just put it in here because I like for the gel to be a little bit tacky. So yeah, I just have it here, as you can see. And I'm just going to add the gel right here. I'm not going to have this secured all the way, just good enough. We're gonna wait for it to get tacky now. In the meantime, I'm going to be defining my part and adding a bit of foundation in the area. I'm only going to be adding foundation to the area that's going to be showing, like my part, which will be a middle part, slick this way.
Okay guys, so here I wasn't really liking my hair, most importantly my edges, so I went off camera and I fixed it up a bit. I wiped out some of the residue and I was actually feeling it. The hairstyle is really nice and cute, and all in all I like the end result.
Alright you guys, so I just went off camera a little bit so that I could fix it up because it wasn't looking the best, you know what I'm saying? I'm not about to be on YouTube looking crazy. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did this super simple hairstyle, just the middle part, bare minimum, add some foundation and go to school, you know? Especially me as a high schooler, I don't want to be spending hours on my hair. I just want to look cute. You could have straightened this hair if you wanted to, and I didn't. I kind of like that messy hairstyle that's giving me the messy feel right now, because I don't really want a polished look. I really just want that messy bedhead type look, and I think I'm getting it and I'm feeling it. Obviously it'll be better if I was to bleach it, pluck it, but honestly this hair didn't really need too much plucking. The hairline was pretty good all in all. I want to say thank you so much to Nadula Hair for giving me the chance to try your unit. It was wonderful. You guys are a viewer. If you have any questions on this hair, check it in the description box. The inches will be in there, the density, everything about this hair, you feel me? I mean, are you feeling it? Because I'm feeling it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me just styling my hair and applying this wig. Don't forget to follow on my social medias. There'll be inches box down below. Don't forget to contact KAREGANG to shout my next video. Now about to serve out for start of week and off week with the kitchen. Get your path, get your way. So you got your bowers. Peace, your girls out. And whoa, a.